Bonjour YouTube, welcome back to the channel. I am Neuralex. This is gonna be my reaction for episode 10 of Chainsaw Man called Bruised and Battered. If you are new to Neuralex Live, please subscribe. You can even click the bell to make sure you do not miss my next video. I am still shaking from the last episode. This show is just getting crazier as it goes along. And I'm glad after all the agent that died, that Kobeni survived, and that she saved Denji. She's very skilled, by the way. And now you've got Hunter quitting their job. Everybody's scared. It's total chaos. And it seems that Makima saw this coming. Bruised and Battered, here we go. Investigation is underway. Of course, Denji was sawed in half, but he's fine. He's eating Aki's apple. Take another one. Oh, yeah. Back to reality. Uh-huh. Yo, he's not okay. Denji, you gotta learn empathy, man. Oh, man, he's not taking that well. Nini. 2 years. He has 2 years, only 2 years to live. Yeah, you might as well smoke cigarettes. It's not like it's gonna change something at this point. Shit. Oh, he's gonna remember her like this. Oh no. Man, the emotional pull of this show is... She was more than a teammate for him. Yeah, why are you so detached? What if? A simple man. Never mind the serious stuff. Oh, depressing. Did you give him a minute? Advisor. Well, Aki, you'll never get an apple. He doesn't care, like he just wants to smoke cigarettes at this point. You know, a show, an anime, but like a show in general is really good when they can make you laugh. They gave you crazy action and drama and punches in the stories that you don't see coming, and they can make you cry. Like, this show is all around. Like, for me, Chainsaw Man so far is better than Jujutsu Kaisen. Big take here, and I'll tell you why. Because they don't make too much jokes. And I'm invested and I'm worried for those characters. Like, I'm worried they're gonna die. And some of them did. Shit is real.
デンジ君が敵勢力に狙われていることが分かった。だから4課を強化しようと思ったんだけど。
Too late.
マキマさんが指導してくれるんですか？
残念だけど私は忙しくなっちゃうから適任を紹介するね。
Oh.
君たちを指導するのは彼だよ。
It's the blonde guy that looks like Reiner with a scar. This should be fun.
彼の名前は
黙れ。仲間が死んでどう思った？
別に。
死んだと思った。
敵に復讐したいか？
復讐とか暗くて嫌いだね。
It's too dark.
お前たちは人と悪魔どっちの味方だ？
俺を面倒見てくれる方。
勝ってる方。
Honest.
お前たち100点だ。
Yeah, because they're both crazy.
大好きだ。
怖い。
He's
マキ
weird.
お前は帰れ。今すぐこいつらは指導だ。
Wow, if power tells you you're weird.
先生と呼ばれると気持ちよくなれるから先生と呼んでくれ。
Hi, sensei.
酒と女と悪魔を殺すことだ。
I like booze, women, and killing devils. Wow. Welcome to training, I guess.
お前たちの筋肉と骨の仕組みは俺たちと同じだ。首の骨を俺は動けなくなる。
He snapped their necks.
血の匂いじゃ。
血を飲めば復活するとこだな。
何しやがるてめえ。
お前の心臓がなぜか知らんが銃の悪魔に狙われている。
なんでさっきわしらを締めた？
お前たちみたいな悪魔は一度もない。酔った俺はどうしようかと考えた。アルコールにやられた脳でついにひらめいた。俺は最強のデビルハンターだ。
He's the strongest,
お前
eh?
たちが俺を倒せるようになるまで俺はお前たちを狩り続ける。
こいつ頭が終わっておる。
もう酔ったじじいでも殺しちまったら逮捕だぜ。
デンジ。
Oh, passing weapons. They have no chance, though. Yeah, no chance. Oh! Denied.
男の方は不死身、魔人の方は半分不死身。二人に人権はない。おもちゃをすぐ壊しちまう。だから壊れないおもちゃが欲しかったんだ。
Toys that won't break, eh?
お前たちを最高に生かした奴らにしてやるよ。
Sexy.
コン。
ほら、出てけえへんやろ。
Con is out of
狐を
service.
無茶に使って嫌われた。もう二度と狐は使わせてもらえへんやろうね。
Because of what happened with that worm devil.
私たちは得意課にいる人間組のキャリア相談に来ました。今回の事件でやめ時やと思いましたけど、実際君の課の人が一人民間に行ったし。
They want him to quit?
やめへんならもっと強い悪魔と契約して得意課に貢献してもらわなあかんみたいです。
Oh shit.
公安やめて残りの人生楽しむか、公安続けて地獄を見るか。
He's gonna stay.
家族を殺したやつもバディを殺したやつもまだ生きてる。なのになんでやめれるんですか？
He wants revenge.
明日また来て書類とか持ってきます。
Paperwork.
ケオトン先輩の言葉はほんまでしたわ。得意課にはまともなやつはいいひんから気をつけろ。ってね。
Man, isn't that the thing? You need to be crazy to be a good devil hunter?
女性のお客さん来てますよ。じゃ、ごゆっくり。
A lady? Who's that? Is that someone from his family or her family?
家に迎えに行くからな。
That was day one of training. Yee.
Yeah.
また頭が故障しておる。
Ouch! Wow.
俺は今日何回殺された。
20回以上じゃ。
At least 20?
ウヌが死んだ時、だいたいわしも気絶しとるから、正確にはわからん。
Wow. And they have to walk back?
あ
Nice.
のじじい強すぎじゃ。
楽しくなるために頑張ってきたのに、楽しくなくて頑張るのはクソだ。
一緒に逃げるか？
逃げたら公安から逃げたことになって、今度こそ本当に俺たちは悪魔扱いじゃね？
Oh, yeah. They'll send that Reiner dude. He's Reiner for me, sorry.
あのアルチェ野郎、どんどんマジでムカついてきたぜ。
わかった。
何が？
You got it?
酒で頭がダメになっておる。わしらは頭を使って戦えばいいんじゃ。
Alright, Miss Nobel Prize.
漫画とかの頭いいキャラみてえに戦えたらいいなってよ。
Damn.
頭脳であいつをぶっ殺すか。
Let's kill him with our intellect. Oh my god. With our level of intellect, it'll be impossible to lose. Yeah, right. Yeah, right.
あいつらの家は確か
来たな、アルチュージジ。
俺たちの日常を壊すやつは。
What? They've put glasses on?
超インテリ作戦開始じゃ。
忍ぶ気か頭狙ってきやがった
Oh yeah, she's not messing around.
今度は俺が狩られる側ってわけだな
Oh, that's kind of smart though. Oh, what a kick. Yeah, you're not that smart, even with
一
glasses.
番良かったぞ追い詰められた獲物は頭を使うもんだなもっと頭を使えパワーは今の戦い方だと血を使いすぎて本体が貧血になることと
Oh,
デンジが俺の攻撃を予測できなかったところだ今回は良かったからもう終わりだ
we're done for the day. I'm going for a drink. I love this character. Should be fun.
もう終わりだって。
ラッキーじゃ。
Lucky us. Shit.
はい。
Eh?
獣が狩人の言葉を信用するな
And Denji is out for today. Wow, he's not messing around.
強い悪魔と契約してもらうっちゅうことは結構むごい契約内容になると思いますけど。
君は仕事に復帰したらライオンの檻に飛び込むんです身を守る武器は必要やろ
It's happening right now. Like he's getting a new contract.
ここには公安が生け捕りにした悪魔たちがぶち込まれてる。
They have a devil prison.
関係ないっすけど、昨日の美人、彼女さんですか？
バディの妹の方です。
That was the sister.
じゃあ殴られました？
いえ、手紙をもらいました。
Letters?
手紙
Oh no, they're gonna break our heart.
私宛てに姉から送られてきた手紙です。
Ah, this is gonna be brutal. I made Aki get ear piercing. She wanted Aki to quit because she cared about him. She was in love with him.
この部屋にいる悪魔とアキ君は契約してもらいます。いるんは未来の悪魔。
The future.
公安で
devil.
こいつと契約している人は2人。1人は寿命半分。もう1人は両目と味覚、嗅覚を差し出しています。気に入られれば安く済みますよ。
If it likes you, holy shit. I'm terrified for him. Beep. Ah. I knew the end of the episode was coming, but I thought we would at least see the devil, you know? At least see him, you know? Wow, like I'm wondering now what he's gonna offer. He only has like 2 years left to his life. Like he has nothing to offer. Like maybe, yeah, he can offer like an eye, organs, I guess. I don't know. Some sense of taste and smell, which would suck. Imagine food tasting like nothing forever. It's so, I feel like it's so tragic. And now the letters from the sister. Yeah, I really don't know what he's gonna offer. Oh, and that devil hunter from what, Division 1? What's his name? Did they ever say his name? Maybe I missed it. All I think about when I see him is he looks like Rainer. He's intense. He looks like he's over traumatized by his work to a point where, I don't know, he doesn't even feel anything and he just drinks and he's strong and he's beating Power and Denji. Yeah, he's the next. I feel like he's the next level. This is what a formidable, surviving devil hunter is like. He's like that guy. And he's always drunk.